Hey friends, are you ready? Welcome to my channel, Fun Strawberry.
Hi kids, welcome to Fun Farm Adventures. Today, we're going to meet some amazing farm animals. Are you ready to explore the farm and learn about all the wonderful animals that live here? Let's go. Cow. This is cow. Pig. This is pig. Chick. This is chick. Sheep. This is sheep. Horse. This is horse. Duck. This is duck. Turkey. This is turkey. Donkey. This is donkey. Rabbit. This is rabbit. Goose. This is goose. Llama. This is llama. Alpaca. This is alpaca. Rooster. This is rooster. Hen. This is hen. Cat. This is cat. Dog. Quail. This is quail. Buffalo. This is buffalo. Ox. This is ox. Wow, we had so much fun meeting all the animals on the farm today. Thanks for joining us on this adventure. See you next time on Fun Farm Adventures. Bye bye.